See, now we are discussing next question. According to material, we are discussing question number 8. Potential energy of the system of two charges, but in external electric field. Here we are discussing system of two charges, but already there is electric field in this region. So this is the space with electric field in, and we are discussing potential energy of the system. Now see, suppose field is E, then two charges with position vector r1 and r2 respectively with respect to any origin O. Here we have two charges q1 q2 with position vector r1 and r2 with respect to origin O. Now initially both charges are at infinity. Both charges are at infinity. Now q1 with position vector r1 and q2 with r2. Now we are bringing one by one charge. First charge q1 from infinity to that point. We are bringing charge q1 from infinity to point with position vector r1. Suppose potential at this point due to field is V r1. V r1 is the potential at point with position vector r. According to definition, work done against electric field at that point is W1, means Q1 VR1. In previous topic, if field is not there, then no need of work. But here already field is there, so we are doing work against field, and that is defined as W1 Q1 into VR1, where VR1 is the potential at position R1. Now see, second point, which is most important. We are bringing charge Q2 from infinity. We are bringing charge Q2 from infinity. Then work required to be done also against electric field and also field due to Q1. Here two cases are there. See, try to understand. Initially Q1 is not there, then no field. But if Q1 is present, then work required to be done on Q2 against two cases. First, due to field E, and second, field produced due to charge Q. So work required to be done for charge Q2, for charge Q2, two cases. Against the electric field, external electric field W2, according to definition Q2 and VR2, where VR2 is the potential at R2 due to electric field. Now we are bringing potential second charge against field into first charge. So potential due to Q1 at this point, then you can understand V is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 upon R12. Potential due to charge Q1 at position R2 is given by V 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 by R1. Then work done W3 equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 upon R12, means Q1 Q2 times V1 or V. So answer is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R1. So first charge in Q1 is W1, for second W2, again electric field, and W3 is the work required to be done in bringing Q2, again electric field due to Q1, means simply it is the potential energy due to pair of the charges. So total work required to be done, as it is conservative, W1 plus W2 plus W3. So answer is Q1 BR1 plus Q2 BR2 plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R12. This is the required formula for the system of two charges in external electric field. So this is different from the previous case. In previous case there is no electric field. Here in presence of the electric field we are bringing the two charges.